Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. First of all, open Play Store on both and install free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Then on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this pop-up about updates, you can choose Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Over here, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of Note 12. Also on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12, choose one of those options for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. You need to tap on all of those categories at the top and in them to choose multiple files from your category, select those type of dots. You can also just tap on the chosen files. In my case, this one song and this photo. When you finished, tap on Send next to selected, located at the bottom. Now click on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick one of those connection ways. If you want to connect using QR code, tap on the scanning icon located on Note 12 next to Input key. Then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at this code. In order to input this key though, you need to go back, choose Input key section instead, and type in all of those numbers from Android. When you finished, click Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!